Good day, futures traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, August 2nd, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in the, actually 5 trades with an add-on in the room, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did. First trade from left to right in gold, we had a power play 1272. I'm sorry, 1372. That was at 9:33 Central Standard Time. We expect that one to go 15 to 20 pennies, and that's exactly where it went. And that was a nice winning trade. We then had a short in crude and took our first profit. It was a power play in crude. It was at 9:15 Central Standard Time, 40.59. Got up to about 10 to 13 pennies on that one. Went for a break even on that, never would have gotten taken out. Now, some people only got up to 15 on that trade, and then went to entry with their runner, in which case they would have been taken out, and that's all they would have gotten is 15. Those who held it, my next target was 38, and that was about 22 pennies, and then it just kept going down from there. For the people who got out of that trade with a small profit and did not have enough runners to hold, we had another entry in crude, which was even better. We had an understanding trade at 40.04, and again, my targets are marked there on the screen. They were there the whole time. We had an initial target of 20 pennies. We had an intermediary target of 39.65, and then my ultimate target was at 39. 39.39, and if you look on the chart there, is pretty much the low of the day. It did dip down a little bit more than that for a few candles during lunch, but that was about from 39 up to 03. That was about a 53, 52, 53 penny trade, and actually, it was more than that. It was 40. I'm sorry, my math is wrong. It was 40.04, and we got down to 39. So that was about 63, 64 pennies if you had enough contracts to hold till the final target. A great, beautiful winning trade in crude. And then in the ES, we had a beautiful short in the ES. We had a power play at 21.57. That was at 9:05 Central Standard Time. And again, same thing, targets were marked, 21.54 quarter, 21.50, and then 21.45. That was hit. All of them were hit. That was just a beautiful trade up to about 12 points, again, depending on how many contracts you have. When the market reversed, I said we might be able to take a chance here. We did have the gold or the crude short trigger. Didn't really want people in both trades, but for somebody who took the power play long in the ES, it made a point. If you tried for more, you got taken out for a break even, but it did make a point before we got long at 21.49 quarter at 10:25 Central Standard Time. It made 6 ticks, and then up to 6 ticks, and then 21.49 quarter, 5 to 6 ticks. So it made a point, and then if you tried to hold, you would have been taken out for a break even if you went -1 with your runner. If somebody just had one contract, obviously, or took more off at a point, they would have been able to get a point. A little measly trade there, nothing major, but nonetheless, it was a small trade there. So we're going to come back and do it all over again tomorrow. Until then, guys, have a wonderful day. We'll see you back tomorrow, and safe trade.